folks, it's been a little challenge. My axe kind of broke. I need some nails. This similar to hawthorn, I don't know the word in English. Bush was a big challenge because it has big spikes, and now I'm almost cleared it. But as you see, my axe kind of broke. I will need to fix it later on, but I'm almost done anyway, and I cleared most of the branches, and now I use my digger, which has this sharp thing, to try to cut off this rest of the tree. It's going to be a huge challenge and of course a long process. I hope for 3 months, until like the end of October and mid-November, because this winter, this autumn, they say it's gonna be mild autumn, not very rainy. I hope for 3 months I'm gonna finish the 5 by 5 meter Eco Cob workshop. That's gonna be phase 1 of my work, of my Eco House dream. And over there, next to it, next year in the spring, will be of course the actual Eco House. That's gonna be made with cob material and with locally sourced some fallen trees for beams. This stone is gonna be used also. I'm sourcing some stone and putting it from up there to fall down to here, because I'm gonna need to source some more stone. This is not gonna be enough. Of course, the stone wall will be like 50 centimeters and about 50 centimeters underground, and then from this stone wall 50 centimeters up over the ground, I'm gonna start the cob, actually the cob wall. That's gonna be with straw, wood, clay and water, and 5% of lime. I'm gonna tell you a lot of tips how to properly make your cob house. I've been asking old people about how is the best way to make the cob material, to make the base and everything else. Now the first part of this process is to clear the area, to prepare the terrain, and of course I need to finish this. This is kind of bush tree, similar to hawthorn bush. Unfortunately not so eco, but sometimes we have to sacrifice. We cannot be 100% eco-friendly, you know that. But as I told you in some of my previous videos, you can follow, you can subscribe if you want to follow more information, and check on my channel. You can check the Eco Cob House and Workshop playlist that's I made recently. There you can follow all the videos about this Eco House Dream project. And after I finish with this, I continue with a friend of mine who wants to stay anonymous, to continue to remove this stone in order to, because this is gonna be one of the, here's gonna be one of the bases for the future wall, and like here will be the other wall. Of course, these branches we're gonna clear them in the future. I need a ladder. A lot of challenges, folks, and thanks for watching, and it's gonna be amazing. My dream is going to come true with a lot of hard labor and a lot of challenges already, but it's gonna be worth it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and comment what you think. Comment what tips you're gonna need for your future Eco House project. Back to work. Thanks for watching, folks.